I really like this graphic, and it's probably not obvious what this is. Somebody took the time to take 3.4 million 4-digit PIN codes from data breaches and plot them on this graph and make it into a heat map. So the bright spots are codes that are much more common. The dark spots are codes that are less common. You can see that there's a bright line that goes from the bottom left to the top right. And that's people using repeated numbers like 0000, 8888, 7575, 4343. Just the same 2 digits, first and last. You'll also notice that significant years are represented as bright lines on the 19 and even a little bit on the 20 line. And then there's also some bright spots around people using months and days as those as the 4 digits. So what does this mean? It means that, number one, people aren't as random as they think they are. And that is something that hackers use. So if you were going to try to guess a random PIN number, it would take you on average 5,000 tries to guess that. But if you'll notice, the most common pins, the 20 most common pins, represent 27% of all the PIN numbers that were used. So if you got 4 people to give you their ATM card and you guessed those 20 most common pins, you would be very likely to get one of those ATM cards pins correct. The takeaway from this is why password complexity is a thing. This is why multi-factor authentication is a thing, because you're not as random as you think, and hackers use that knowledge against you.